Hey everyone, this is Brey's Ways. I'm back to show you how I decked out the little Christmas tree that I have. And I made it all nautical. And I decorated it with the little wooden ornaments that I had gotten at Dollar Tree the other day, a while back. And I hand painted them, and I showed that on another video. So today I was able to finally get it all together and put it on the tree. So I have all the ornaments, front and back. And as you can see, I used little pieces of ribbon, nautical ribbon. You see the little shell ornaments that I had also painted up and added a little hook to in the back. You can see a little seahorse there, the anchor, a sailboat. Here's a little friend. I have two of these little whales because my son got them for me a while back. So I put one in the front and one in the back of the tree. I added flowers to it. These really cute blue flowers. Well, these and these. There's some sailboat. And I took apart a sign just so that I could use this part of it on there. More ribbons, more ornaments, and the bottom I added the other half of the nautical ribbon, because all throughout the tree I used the other half of this ribbon to make little bows on it. Now this little tree came with its own little potted, well, it's like a little pot wrapped up in this burlap. And I had bought a plant recently, and I took it out of its tin bucket, and I kept the bucket, and it actually fit the little tree, so I kept it there. Now for around the base of the tree, I took a tin white platter that I had gotten, I think, at Dollar General, and I filled it up with the blue Crunchies that I painted. That's right. I took the pet bedding before in another video when I was showing you guys how to make this. And I made a large amount in blue with acrylic paint. And then I just simply poured it around the base of the pot. And then I added some pieces of my late grandmother's coral and some of her shells that she had given me a long time ago, and some of the those blue painted pieces that I had used last night for the nautical cake that I showed you. And I just put a whole bunch of shells around the base. There's another piece of that coral. I remember being very, very small when my grandma got that. All the way around there are shells. And excuse the mess, guys. I have a lot of stuff all over the place. And those are the little reeds that I had got at Dollar Tree. But it looks so cute. I really love it. And I'm glad that I did what I did to the base of it, because it gave it something more characteristic to all the nautical, features that the little tree has already. But it's a tall little tree. I think it's about what? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 feet, 5 feet tall. No, it's about 4 feet. So there it is in all its glory. But I wanted to say about that head bedding that in having painted it, You know, you can use it for so many other purposes. You can stick it in a vase, a clear vase, and stick flowers in it. Put it in glasses and put ornamental things in them. You can do a lot of stuff with the pet bedding once you paint it up. It actually looks like those little aquarium rocks, doesn't it? Which also fits this nautical theme, doesn't it? Ta-da! So I think I'm onto something here. I'm glad I discovered that. So I hope that you guys will get inspired to decorate your own little tree. I'd like to see what you guys can come up with. Well, this is Brey's Ways, and until next time, guys, if y'all are new to my channel, please subscribe. That way you can like, share, comment, and hit the little bell so you'll be notified of when my next videos are coming out. Until next time, bye-bye.